for a half day, 4-hour trip this morning, 6 o'clock. We left about 15 minutes ago. We're running up towards Diamond Head right now. The weather was calling for 20 knots today. It looks a little bit nicer than that right now. It'll probably pick up throughout the day, but been some fish coming up though. Been some big akus out there at about 20 miles. That's a little further than we'll be able to make it this morning. And some mai-mais coming up, starting to see more onos. Not a whole lot of marlin activity the last 2 weeks. That water's pretty good right now. We'll get out. We're gonna go southeast, get off of Diamond Head, see if we can find some mai-mai piles, look for aku piles. But yeah, it looks pretty good so far today. We'll get offshore here, see what we can find. Alright, well it's 7 o'clock. Right now we're over 2 already. We had a mai-mai come in, pop off, and then we just got ono bit on the short rigger, 7-inch Barella. Damaged our leader a little bit. We're retying that right now. We'll get it right back out. But yeah, it looks good. There's a lot of birds out here. They're not really coming together yet. Looks pretty good. So not a ton of time to work out here. Today we'll keep moving this way. Hopefully these birds come together, bring us to some fish here. So keep moving. All right, well, just got up to a little ferry turnpile here. We got a double mai-mai on head, Barella Malo logo, and then the 5-inch flashy blue on the center. So got 2 on here, working them both in. Oh, nice one. Okay, guys, now big thing is just keeping the line tight, real out of the chair there. Yep. If he's giving you line, you take it. Okay. The fish are getting kind of close, so we want to try to get them away from each other. Coming up right there. Stop right there, stop cranking. Okay, box is open. Okay, now we'll gap this next one, okay? We're going there, we're on the board. Nice fish. We got that first one here, about a 20-pounder, nice one, and then second one coming up here. We just moved him to the chair. We got the 5-inch flashy blue and Hawaiian Malolo bird. Okay, when you get up to that teaser, you're gonna stop cranking, okay? You're doing perfect. Okay, stop cranking. Beautiful, guys. Those are 2 great mai-mais there. All right, number 2 there. We got them. 2 nice mai-mais. First one a little bigger than the second one there, but on the board. Good bird activity out here. There just wasn't any coming together yet, but that was underneath like 5 ferry turns. Looked good. You can kind of tell. Took 1 pass, got that double, got both. I don't think there was any more under those birds. I got a pretty good look, but got another pile up in front of us here. Hopefully go do that again. Coming in. Gonna eat the long rigger. Oh, another one coming in corner. Eat it. Look at him. Oh, he missed the corner. That's sick. Oh, long rigger. Got it. Oh, corner. Corner, okay. And the rigger popped off. Oh, center. Eat the center. Eat it. Look at him jumping back there. Okay, now reel it if you can. Okay, now just leave him there. Get all your riggers back out, because there was like 4 more back there. A couple nice mai-mais. There was like 4 or 5 that came in right there, but they weren't eating real good. I don't know why, but we'll go right back through that. pile. That one ate the long corner, the Aloha Lures 12-inch beauty. Another little one on here. Went back through that pile. This one ate the Barella Malolo. Go ahead and gaff it, Ed, okay?
What you want?
Just room in that carry on some dry ice. Okay, a couple more cranks there.
Okay,
Good right there. Stop cranking, Ed'll take it from there. All right, number 4 there. Go right back to that pile. Well, we just had a long corner, but I don't know what it was. They're down there taking pictures with the mai-mais. Corner popped off. Hard to tell. Keep moving. Well, we had one more mai-mai pile there. We had probably a 15-pounder come in and miss the Barella twice, and then he gave up on it. So good action right in that little pocket out there, but it's 9 o'clock now, so we got to turn for home here. We got a trip this afternoon, so point for home here. We're at 7 miles now, and we'll see if we can pick anything else up on the way back. Well, no bites on the way in there. We're just clearing lines now. We're gonna go into the harbor, but pretty good action for a 4-hour trip there. We were 4 for 7, I think, on mai-mais out in those open schools. Then we had that Ono bite and we had that long corner bite. Not really sure what that was, but we'll get in here, we'll pull those mai-mais out and we'll get them cut up. Feel free to do that as well. We're out at 3 miles right now. We're gonna try to get out to the same spot we saw that action, see if we can see some similar stuff. So that was at 9-10 miles. We had our bites there. We're at 3 now. Getting the binoculars here and see what we can find. Well, we just got out to 9 miles, little inside of where we were earlier, and we got a double on 2 nice mai-mais. 7-inch Tanigawa, 7-inch Barella.
That was awesome. Huh?
Coming right there. Yeah, you can. He's gonna come. He's coming back. You're just gonna have to get on leader, Ed, and take him where you need him. No, no worries. Box open, Ed, okay? Yeah, baby. That's a big one. Ed, you're gonna gaff this next one. Good job, dude. Now, see that swivel? You got about 10 more feet, and then you're gonna stop cranking, okay?
Oh yeah, whoa. Oh yeah. Stop taking pictures of this, I got dude. Go.
Okay, you guys can stop cranking right there. Stop cranking, yep, perfect.
It's right there. The big one is gapping it. Oh yeah. Whoa! A minute.
Yeah, you guys, if you want to get in there now, because it's color.
Yeah, it's all color.
two nice mai-mais there. Both of those are close to 25. There was just a booby and a ferry turn. I took one pass, so we had both riggers go down. 7-inch Barella, 7-inch Tanigawa. 2 for 2 there on the board. Water's pretty darn sloppy out here, so we're gonna start moving west, try to find a little bit nicer water here, but yeah, pretty good. Keep moving here. Well, just those 2 mai-mais there on that trip. We saw a couple little flutter piles, just small aku type of stuff. It was pretty sloppy. These guys had to be home at 3 o'clock, so we'll take it. 2 nice mai-mais. Airlines now. We'll get into the harbor here and we'll get those cut up for these guys.
You can go over there and check it out.
Yeah, you guys take pictures, video, whatever you'd like.
I already know I was
I'm gonna get over there by boat.
Patrick, put this in your phone quickly. 91 -7 Midway.
Midway Street.
No, it said 25 minutes when I was coming.
It's way over here.
It said 25 minutes when we were coming here.
So we gotta tell them where we're bailing. 172. It'll take you an hour to get there. Oh, that's what you're eating tonight, kids.
Yeah, that looks great.